Hi knitting friends, Shaina Bilow here. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how to work the center single decrease. So I have it right here along this dress. Every 3 stitches were turned into 2 here along this peachy keen dress. And you'll notice 1, 2, 3, these 3 columns converge into 2 while covering up the center column. So that's what we're going to learn how to do today. Once you've worked up to the point in your pattern where your center single decrease is called for, you will work it like so. You're going to start off by working a slip knit decrease. So we're going to slip a stitch from the left hand needle to the right hand needle like we're knitting it. Slip another stitch from the left hand needle over to the right hand needle as though you're knitting it. Then take your left hand needle, insert that into the 2 stitches on the right hand needle and work them together. So that is an SSK decrease. Then what you're going to do is take that second stitch, the second slip stitch, and pick up the left leg of it onto your left hand knitting needle. So you're going to insert your left hand needle into that stitch that's sort of hidden underneath like this. And then you're going to knit 2 together. The stitch on the left hand needle with the picked up slipped stitch from the SSK. Essentially what we're doing is we're splitting that center stitch into 2, where one leg of it is worked together with this stitch as an SSK and the other leg of it is worked together with this stitch as a knit 2 together. Let me show you that again. We're going to slip a stitch as though we're knitting it, slip another stitch as though we're knitting it, insert the left hand needle into the front of those 2 stitches from left to right and knit those 2 together. So we've just worked an SSK decrease. Then with our left knitting needle, we're going to pick up that middle stitch, this one here, and we're going to do that by inserting the left needle into the front of the stitch so that we can scoop up that left leg of the stitch. So we're following this line up, inserting our needle so that we can grab the left leg. Once that left leg is securely on the needle, we can then knit 2 together. The 3rd stitch of our decrease with that 2nd stitch, thereby creating the center single decrease. And I'll show you that now in Continental style. Slip like a knit, slip as though you're knitting, insert your left hand needle into the front of those 2 slipped stitches from left to right, wrap the yarn around your right hand needle and bring it through. Then insert your left hand needle into the stitch that's on the left of the SSK. Make sure your yarn's in back, and then knit 2 together. And those are your center single decreases. Happy knitting!